Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use a Vega hair straightener. First, ensure your hair is completely clean and dry before you begin. This prevents damage and helps achieve a smoother finish. Next, apply a good quality heat protectant spray from roots to ends. This crucial step shields your hair from the heat. Finally, gently detangle your hair using a wide-tooth comb to remove any knots, making the straightening process much easier. Now, let's section your hair. Use clips to divide your hair into small, manageable sections, ideally about 1 inch thick. Smaller sections ensure even heat distribution and better results. Next, set your Vega straightener to the correct temperature. Fine or damaged hair benefits from lower heat, while thicker hair may require a slightly higher setting. Always start with a lower temperature and adjust as needed to prevent heat damage. With your hair sectioned and the straightener heated, it's time to straighten. Take one small section and place the Vega straightener close to the roots, ensuring plaits fully encompass the hair. Gently close the plaits and glide the straightener smoothly and steadily down to the ends. Avoid stopping or pausing to prevent kinks. Repeat this process for each section, aiming for 1 or 2 passes for optimal results and minimal heat exposure. Once all sections are straightened, allow your hair to cool completely before touching or styling it. This helps to set the style and prevent frizz. Then, apply a small amount of a light finishing serum or oil to add shine and tame any flyaways, giving your hair a polished look. For long-lasting results, avoid humidity and consider using a silk pillowcase. Remember to check the description below for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.